Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to knit very pretty design. Hope you will like it. For this design, chains are multiple of 2. I'm going to knit the even number of chain stitch. Skip 4 chain stitch. In the 5th stitch, knit a double crochet. One chain, skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, one chain, skip 1 double crochet in the next, one chain, 1 double crochet is the pattern of the row. Knit the pattern till the end of the row. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have knitted 16 such column. For the next row, knit 4 chain stitch, 3 for double crochet and 1 for space. Skip 1 double crochet over the top of a double crochet. I am going to repeat the same pattern as I have knitted in the first row. For the third row, knit 4 chain stitch, skip 1 double crochet in the next stitch, repeat the whole first row. In the fourth row, knit 4 chain stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, one more time I am going to knit 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the 5th pillar. Here I am going to knit the flower, so 1 chain, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch to form the V stitch. In this V stitch I will knit the flower. First we will use this pillar, 3 chain stitch, Take the yarn 2 times on your hook. In the space here, knit triple crochet. Take the yarn 2 times on your hook. One more triple crochet in the same space. This is the third triple crochet. One, two, three chain stitch. In the same space, knit a slip stitch to close the first petal of the flower. This is the first petal. Knit 3 chain stitch. In the same space, continue to knit one more petal and knit 3 triple crochet in the same space. This is the second triple crochet. One more. After knitting 3 triple crochet, 3 chain stitch. In the same space, knit a slip stitch to close the petal. Knit 3 chain stitch for third petal, and third petal I will knit here in this space. Take 2 times yarn on your hook, insert the hook here and knit 3 triple crochet. One, two, three, chain stitch. One slip stitch in the same space to complete the third petal of the flower. On the other side of the V stitch, knit 2 more petals of the flower to complete the pattern. 3 chain stitch. Three triple crochet. this is the fifth petal of the flower. 3 chain stitch, 3 triple crochet in the same space. Three chain stitch, slip stitch in the same space to complete the flower. Look at the back side. Here I have knitted an arch of V-stitch with the help of V-stitch, and then I have knitted a flower. So I am going to skip the one column where I have knitted the V-stitch. We need to knit a column not here but here, so that our pattern comes together. We will knit here. I have created 6 columns between 2 flowers. It is up to you how much distance you want to create between 2 flowers. I am going to knit my next flower. Here, and I am going to knit the arch of 1 chain with the help of 2 columns. I have knitted a V-stitch here. Three chain, 3 triple crochet in the space here. For the first petal of the flower. Three chain, slip stitch, three chain stitch, second petal of the flower, complete the row with same pattern. For the next row, 4 chain stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. This is the same pattern. One chain. In the back side of the flower, the column on the back side of the flower that we used to make the flower was not made in the previous row. Now to make it in this row, we will complete it from here. Continue the pattern till the end of the row. Thanks for watching.